Need to fix the Network Setup Service DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we begin our Network Setup Service troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Network Setup Service. It manages the localized installation of network drivers and the configuration of network interfaces. If corrupted, users will find the network and internet settings non-responsive, and the OS will fail to install new Wi-Fi or Ethernet drivers, reporting a service initialization failure. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If Network Setup Service DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Network Setup Service, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick safety warning: never download files like Network Setup Service DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Network Setup Service and maintaining system stability. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Network Setup Service or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.